MNY stock tomorrow, Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Like, am I buying or selling next? Honey Hero Limited stock. I'm giving you my exact targets and levels and all of my plays on Honey Hero, so watch till the end. But for context, I'm using my forecast that has given my strategy that has given me thousands of wins only 2023. So looking at MNY, like even speaking from right here, like I don't know what my previous kind of prediction like looked like, but let me come here. Honestly speaking, man, this is still kind of looks like a bullish opportunity, because we came back into this demand area. Definitely marked up the highs in my previous video. And as I said, like the only way that I'm taking advantage here is if the price just gives me the rules. If it gives me the rules, then I'm bullish. How's that gonna look like if it comes here and gives me the rules? So that's one way that I'm approaching Honey Hero Limited stock. But because I already think that I'm kind of late, like the price has already gone up and whatnot. If the price comes lower and then gives me the accumulation, then only then I'm bullish because I'm like a day trader, like day slash swing. I'm in and out of the markets like this. So definitely going to keep you updated. Check out the first link in the description and I'll see you in the next video.